Welcome to Edwards, Mississippi and 70.48 acres of pure outdoor paradise. Wake up to rolling hills, a shimmering lake view, and boundless space. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a stunning property of untouched beauty. Serene and secluded, this parcel is a sportsman's haven, prime hunting, fishing and horseback riding. A rare find, this is a picture-perfect setting for your estate, cleared, well-kept land, ready for your dream home, stables, a barn, a shop, and wide-open country living. Ideal for hay production, farming, and hiking. This property offers the perfect blend of beauty and sport. Cast a line in the stocked pond near the woods. A wildlife haven, with exceptional deer hunting. Unlike most, this land has a cleared road around it. Private entrance and frontage off Chichester Road. The best of both worlds, privacy and convenience. This is its first time on the market in over 100 years. More than land, this is your legacy. Breathe deep, explore wide, this spot is calling you home. Make an offer today.